That's Max the Cone Cat, huh? Are you Max the Cone Cat? That is Max. Check him out. Come here. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come on. Look. Look, it's Max the Cone Cat. Come here, show everybody your trick. Come here, Max. Come here. Come here, goofball. Hey, Tardo, come here. Come here. Show everybody how you like to lick. Ooh, look at that. You're what? Meow, I know. You love it. You love it. You roll over so I can rub your belly too. You got the big belly, huh? Big belly kitty. Goes with that big cone, huh? Come on. Look at the, look. You're on camera. Look. Look. Get out of the way so you can show everybody. Show everybody how pretty you are. No, you don't want to? Come here, buddy. There's Max. Oh, show him what you like to do, Max. You like licking that cone when somebody scratches your back. Oh, you're a wacky cat. You did a lot of drugs when you were a kitten, huh? Look at that. I'm gonna put a helmet on you and send you on the short bus. Look at you. You're a good kitty. You know that? Good kitty. Yeah, you are. Big Max. You want to be on camera some more? Okay, come on. Look. Oh, boy, if they could hear you purring, huh? They see how happy you were. You're a happy conehead. Aw, you're a good boy. Yeah, boy, you're happy today, aren't you? Yes, you are. Big happy kitty. Big tiger, huh? Big tiger. Are you done? That's all you're gonna do? You're not gonna perform anymore? Come here, bud. Okay, you're all done. That was Max the cat.